in free Nigeria. A buy say, on be Gianni Juma. A man, if Panacrab is your mammy so.
A CB. My neighbor, yes, CB.
No, mammy say, any umbra, because baby on one, a more ding. No, any panebai or sick as can you pane fa into umbedru and a natural say, Juma nani panebeka gift in the mammy and Tessa. Na, a Juma didn't be Sebe, Ashawo, no, the neighbor. To so bedru no, or how on to me. Ano Jane ye to Jane was so called Takradin Zima baby. To acquire no could drew or coshia mammy be no mammy no Jano or then or can ask him treno. Mammy Jenny on in the Juma. Tea no one baby that. No mammy send a sadia, uncle done in my man chain. Tea say, oh, here, a one or quadiano, so one ne mammy bano. And no mammy baron son and then I da. So well, just say, when you were brand no name.
No, say we nim be macron in him.
Nipa no de onim no. Ba wo so otan dwane free maame ne ho.
Ashawe maame na ode ne baaye no. Maame na ode ne baaye a ode pimple na ode ne free ashawe Nigeria ho baaye no. Maame no so obro no be so. Me pa cho si takra de honom no na maame ne so. Eti takra de ne ye de ne baaye. Na be de okumase. Ojane free ashawe ni ni honom no san ko cho ba ra bi honom ko ye adwuma. Da maame ne ba ne na anyem no. And I'm not seeing Johnny a free one more the bell Kumasia or the baby. They say, yeah, they. Me what you say, no, ye nimnechi. You say, baby, or da crying your bola sube be or Musi Community Center. A one order. Manometra Kunin. Gift. Oh, manager. Come and sit down. Monkatan and Mumame, how are you? How old are you? How old are you?
22 years.
Do you want me to cover your face? Do you want me to cover your face?
Cover my face.
Yeah. Or you want your people to see you on national television? Please. Talk. Do you want me to cover your face or you want them to see you?
Anyhow.
Who brought you to Ghana?
They come and meet my mother. They tell my mother that we will come and do work.
What work?
Selling food.
Okay. In the first place, which part of Nigeria?
Adamawa
State. Okay. So the woman came to Nigeria to tell your mother to bring you to Ghana.
It's the woman she did for Ghana. I want about her friend.
Is she a Ghanaian?
The woman she said Ghanaian. I want about her friend is in Nigeria.
Okay.
So she tell for her friend that we'll let her find for her girls. Let them come and do work. So they did not tell us that
you are coming to do Ashawo.
We'll come and do Ashawo. They tell us that we'll come and sell you food. They tell for our parents like this. So our parents, if they tell them, they say, okay, let us go. Because of if it's done, they will pay for us lot fare, they will give us everything. Let us go. So like this, then I say, okay. Then I follow them go. Takurari Secondary.
Secondary Takradi. Okay.
Is that place they drop us? So 3 days time. Then I see the woman. She brought for us brazier with pants and skin tight. She tell us
brazier. The woman brought you girls braziers and pants to wear them.
Then I asked her that, what did you buy for us? Those kind of things. That you should buy for us dress. She tell me that, don't worry.
Hey.
Don't worry. Soon they will start the work. Then I tell her, okay. Me myself is not give me that it's truth in here. Then I go outside. Then I go and ask some woman for shop. Because I asked the woman that, did you used to hear outside? She said yes. Then I asked her with outside that, please, which kind of work they used to do here? Then the woman, then she tell me that they did not tell you. They do
Ashawo.
They don't tell you. Then I said they did not tell me. Then she said that it's Ashawo work. I said, hey, Ashawo work. I said, hey, no, I can't do because of me. I don't me since before that I did not do that kind of thing before. So me I can't do the work. Then the woman, then she tell me that, okay, now the thing that I'll help you. Did you want to do? I said no. Then she remove her SIM. She gave me
from your phone.
No, her phone.
Okay.
Then she remove her SIM, one SIM. Then she give me. Then she tell me that if I want to run there, then let me put the SIM inside my phone. Let me call her. She will tell me the place that she will come and meet me. Then I tell her okay. Then in the evening time, then I put the SIM. Then I call her. Then she tell me that I will see some shop, no light on it, no light for the shop. Let me go and hide it there. Come on, let me wear black thing.
At night.
Yeah, around 8 going.
Okay.
And then I tell her okay. Then I finish everything, and then I wear my dress. Only one dress that I take it. I do not take another dress. Then I leave there around 8 o'clock. Then I leave there. Then I go and hide for that shop. Then I call them one as auntie, I reach there. Then she tell me that okay, she's coming. Then I say okay. Then I sit down there. Then before that, the woman she come. Then she
Let's cut the story short.
Then we go there.
Gifty, who brought you from Takoradi to Kumasi?
No, anybody brought me. Just I come to Kumasi. I come
to do
Kumasi.
What?
I want
Why
them
can't
to help
you
me
go back to Nigeria instead?
because of no money.
No money. Money for your TNT or what? Your transportation. So if somebody give you money now, are you willing to go back to your Nigeria?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
With this pregnancy? Eddie Abure who semuni. So where is that woman? Your pimp.
Which people?
That woman. That's your big mama.
She there for Takoradi second diva.
With the other girls.
Doing
Ashawo.
They are doing Ashawo. They said that if they run there, they don't know the place that they will enter or people they will help them. Me I said that don't worry. If there's people the one they can help you. If you want to leave that place, so they tell me that they can't leave. So me too. Then I live there.
So what happened to this your Bele? Because Ashawo and Bele got nothing to do with Ashawo. So what happened? Gifty, don't laugh, oh. This is serious matter. What happened?
I work with the boy mother, so I work with the boy mother selling food.
So the boy was your boyfriend or what?
So he tell me the way he like me. He buy for me dress. Because of that time I don't have plenty dress. It's only 4 dress that I brought it with my own money. Then he brought for me some. So me I don't know that he's a bad boy. I don't know. So then I accept for him. So by the time you come and sleep with me, then I don't know that me I get pregnant. Realize I come to Kumasi. Kena. Then I come and meet some Malam. They used to call him Malabu.
Malamabu.
Malabu. Then I asked Malam that please I want you should help me with money to go back. Then he asked me that what happened? Who bring you to Ghana? Then I tell him. Then he tell me that okay. Then he tell me that now come TLS if you tell for people. But now he himself does not have plenty money.
But I called the guy who impregnated you. Can't you call him?
I call him back. I call him. I tell him that I am pregnant. He tell me that you are pregnant. He think like
you are lying.
I am lying or what? Then I tell him that okay, if I'm lying, you should send for me money. Let me go to your place. Then let us go to hospital. Let them go and test.
I don't need to be to far advantage. Eye nipa bone. Ye de akoda free Nigeria ba de na be ye Ashawo adwuma. Onya ba bi na waba so no ma me be adwuma. Eye me yasa manfa boy no picture ama. Oni phone kra no anya no picture. Gifty. Let's go back to that Ashawo business. That business, Ashawo, we want to know more about how you people charge and stuff like that.
Me there. If they come and meet my mother, they tell my mother that where.
So is your mother who collect the money?
Is they come and meet my mother that where there is work. There is work. Then my mother said that which place where inside Ghana. Then she said that okay. She said that which kind of work? They said they were selling food. Then she said okay, but
no food. We are talking about the Ashawo business. We want to know how people charge. If somebody come for short time or long time.
So, they don't tell me that one come. We did not start to do that one.
Okay.
They did not tell us.
Okay.
Me, just only 3 days. Then I live there.
Okay.
All my things might there for that.
So now, what do you want us to do for you?
Please, I want to help you. You should help me with some things.
What things?
Come on.
Yeah, baby, this year. Gifty, stop crying. Gifty, okay. Stop crying. Hey, Gifty, you are on national television. I want you to call your people in Nigeria. If you can't speak the English, speak Hausa and tell them your situation now, okay? Speak in Hausa. They are listening. Kandaidi, Uniabao, your sister is here. Speak. When a boy, Wakati no suffering.
That.
Oh, Gifty. Your people, talk to your people in Hausa.
That as what I'm getting the kudi moto no tafi.
Hello.
Yes.
Me pacho bright in here. Bright at say.
Ronaldo.
Wuni mabai we be a friend Gifty. Gifty Nigeria ni gebi.
Gifty.
Ah, ya Nigeria ni ge also by so no mama be ye adwuma.
Dario.
Wuni abai wa Nigeria ni abai we bi a oba so no mama be ye adwuma woni na da awanyem no. Wuni mo no.
Me e mu ho. Ni pana ko pa ma ba. Ko fa ma ba so me de no mu na gida.
Wo si hwan ko fa hwan mo bai?
Nigeria ni bia ba wa ha to da adwuma.
Me ntiasem na o kan o se de. Nigeria ni bia ma o so no ma me be ye adwuma.
Dario.
Na wo ma me ye cho ba adwuma. Wa takrade.
Daddy. Emi takrade.
Na mo wo hia aguna nkwanta nzema. Mo wa aguna nkwanta.
You have less than 1 minute.
Wo wa aguna nkwanta na.
Dario.
Na wo kroba so na mo wo.
Ngaka kro ni de.
Wo ti ni mo kro ni di tie. Bright tie. Akwala na ba mi program so o TV so. Sa wo se anya wo a ye bowdua baby awo no ye behu to de ekọ. Mema na bra pa frensua bowdua Bright ye bo a. Se ade ye wa krokro no wo bebodin. Mo de abose magimi. Wo mo krokro di yiri free so. Ye bowdua de wo beba. Gifty, Bright. He said you are lying. It's not true. Hey, saying.
What is true?
Madam, speak Hausa to your people in Nigeria. You are not serious, oh. You think this matter is small matter? How to our jija I was listening. Maybe pamu where's your bonting? You think we are joking here or we are playing? Speak loud. Kasa, speak loud. What about when say you know? Don't throw a car fast on down. Ashawo need yan ka odi yan anyi said ye e fa ho ban. Kasa, speak to your people.
That atam ken da kudin moto ne zan koma. kuma an kawo ni zuwa Ghana na wai domin wai mu zo mu yaki Ashawo kuma an zo an ga mama na mama na kuma ita kuma sai ta yadda sai aka kawo mu to kuma ni ban yaki din ba ni ban yaki din ba ni na zo na gudu ni na zo na bar wajen
September akwala no kra brofo no onte omo eya me nwa Nigeria pidgin ni kra nso a wonte asa awuza na na oka
na zo na bar wajen to sai na yaki da wasu
mu fry mama why do fan aba wo online so afane connect no no so emu sana sem
I'm sorry, please.
Any sra was resre no office e de ba de
Please, I'm sorry.
8 months no de to no obe wa to kwan ho ne age na wo hello
Please, I'm sorry.
Hello?
Bright what's it again your friend Precious
Then no bahano.
was here on my friend Precious
Now that you know give.
was here oba and was said dan oba han was sanity where it is say no wanyam abosome oso wanyam abosome saying abosome nwoche oso oba ho ne die eti ebe ye ne den what did that want basa one hwe kro bi akoku no
Mommy.
yes
Pressure pressure but your phone man.
you want to talk to her mofa betena say Bright otie wo
Hello?
mami
Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
Why you don't believe that you are perfect?
And that is my ring name.
Your
Who
ring
told you that's for me?
For Nigeria, but that is my ring name.
You see, we go change your name to this. That's what I mean. I don't forget.
Huh?
Okay, give it to the woman.
You say?
Give it to the woman.
Okay.
Bright say a day
Mommy, but me
I meet you
Precious, now
line in your head line in your baby film now young tear Dr. Grofine comra making away bubuni muwe emijina omo enkwasi asem Doctor Yankwab
Master
Yanko
adeni dey
yemfemi into he
bibi nti munto mumbomede and ladies normally so when you want leba wa chat won wodin kan wa chat won Nigeria why dey madam fon wo hade awon oye woni adwuma wo yenda dado nti wakafa girls no ba first ngo bi nin kan wa chat girls no wa ka che won dey adwuma bi dey e bi a restaurant adwuma another obi per house girl adwuma madams na kasa no woni agent wo Nigeria ho nti oba na dem agent no wo Nigeria ho no awon na wo hwehwe girls no
bra manya nuti ne friend me ka so muso so no ge na fe no no obe kire o mo de o mo ba adwuma be de so no wa kire mu so oba e wonu so obe ye asibi adwuma oba e so obe ye asam no no obe kire mama me ze champion ka wansem
so mama me da so mama akoda ya sama ya wa to asui e de se ye no kra dia na je se me fa ne se wo hu nyansa kakra
wo wi anu asan frɛ boy
ana sebi odwane ye no so no
ya se bla na frɛ me ze champion ensan kwa wo ma no so 2 hello Bright nti se akola na ye be ne den
Mommy, but when you have in Kasa.
Kasai
Hello?
yes you
Get me the minimum. That's minimum.
na woni nada
But I'm Kasa.
bra ye ni mre sa o ye ni wodi kan kasa na wa frɛ ye nya botre ye question woni nada mommy me ne nai me ne nada na ye kɔ yanim wo kasa akosi sɛ bra
But when you have me,
osidi ai now me pa right Me pacha o free un chen edisen.
Better.
Baba we free mu krom ho edisen. You go to another man's house and the man slept with you.
It's not that man. It's not that man.
That's a man who can over down so on and no man.
Hey.
The other bright here. What's in the bed? Nipan and nine.
It's not
now one another. What about you?
Mommy.
Bright, any young son one when you go your DNA.
But
Miss any Shannon one or one who acquire DNA. Say, I will buy. Aye, ya credit in our Chinaco, and who cried your house. What is it say when you mabu some what you a cabo some penwa? Tika me pesa me bright. Tie. Come a man and lorry fan waba wo back. Wa me am kwa kwa DNA no. Me am twa DNA ne ka.
See no oba. This is what oba me say. Because
Una na nyemo no oba ma me ni beja problem ti wan na enye no wan na enye ni tran fie
am say tama me ni tunu ni tendai tama me ni tunu ni tendai itu ata da mo tunu ni sa bia ni tama me ni tendai ni so so ni ba ai
now say oba wan no e die no obedi no de awo obeko hospital bright obere no kwa hospital no awo na woni nam say ya no wo na ye obade ya no abeje no enti de wo ka no hwa no no wonwo wo na ye wo ba fine nya wo ba na ne ka wa bo no hu bia no wa ya adwuma na otua wo ka
because this no see that
so mami
because na here dey about
bright pressure so ne kra no onim se wanyim o obedru kumase ya no na na akire obehu sanyin san wo ho to odi yin san firi wo ho ne baaye I want to tell you when you say about pressure, it is your first pregnancy. And you come bright, your compression. Is this your first pregnancy with bright? Huh?
No.
Hey, one can of correct. What can there be? No, what can I?
Down there, you don't come out. Down there, you don't come out.
What happened? This one. You do an abortion.
You say that he buy medicine. I take the medicine, then I drink.
Mr. Champa, bright, bye bye. Asamino, bye bye. Hey, movie, I'm going to go on cover. And some of the people
obi otimi bi na no ka se one de onkana sam kire obi na je se tiri mo
ga no na sam
na ka che we no
o se dey
won de onkana sam kire obi na sam kire obi
so no wo we anyone kwai
ayo enti so mama ni asie ya ya ka ni nyina ni ade ni anka me se ne se enka atiefo mo ye na ka yempi bi ma no onko Nigeria enu mo ye better because okota kwa
no man is can crown call you any
ye ni ko tra VIP mu akonkran ama VIP for no tra Nigeria dey.
Hey, from here to Nigeria your transportation how much?
They said that now is 10 million or 20 million. I don't know.
20 million.
I said that 10 million or 20 million. I don't
from
know.
Here to Nigeria 20 million.
No, I said that but I don't know now. I don't know now or it's 10 million.
Mo find out we. Mo am ko kwan so mo find out. Obi enu 20 million we o dey be mo.
Entino obi enfre no won kan kire adama fo no wo mo fre kan kire wo ko Nigeria e sen na atiefo mo aye na yempiska ni afa ma no
you don't want to speak the truth. That's what we say. You be your own kawase.
You can say yes.
unka jirobi
ya ka say ya so say kura oto kura si na no ne moje etu no etu wa hwe kura de asem enura ne moje etu no eni do so akokoto do ni so anom so no na asem awon so na ka no so a eni obewu ka mu enti atiefo so ma me e de tu
me pa mo chewa mo amunim Nigeria yi no kasika no kan dem find out to my why na yempa bi ma no wonko na 20 million de me minya boy
wonko
suma na kotidie
wonko na ma me oni e better okọ ade na won mepa ma na emo ano
come and sit down you watch it. Madam, they said your transportation from here to Nigeria is 1,500 cedis. And I'm giving you this money because of these two ladies. Because we are not serious. They will take you to car park and make sure you reach your country safe, okay? Me discount ma me de mamu. Na mo ama make sure some de ne beko. Me ya ka onu kwa kami fi ne ba ku sei. Na mo na mo wa beti aka mo so no. Na me pese odi ne hu musuo ko. Ko jo te wona o ye na ebufu etan kura. Sa no de ye mo mu fi ho. She. Hey. Jamo so mo so nsam so. Onu Nigeria ni no onu akobeji wo Nigeria betrani fi am na duane adi ama akokana asema ma ne buafu. They said you don't want them to talk your matter. Is that true? Adi sisi na nani ase apa apostle sweet bad yesi that rank e good to see for 4 days am evutu. Wo ye kwa asema obuafu. $1,000. Me man 1,000 for. I'm doing that. Yes. I'm giving you this money because of these two ladies. Because you are not serious. You this girl.
I'm sorry.
You are sorry. Sorry for yourself.
I'm sorry.
Ashawo kobo. Yo.
Thank you.
Mami sorry. Beji kom monye. Nam sister, when mo fan kwesi kam. Da be na mo de na ko. Nti o china mere mo nim. Why enumre ya mo fan nko. Move this ramwa. Now so eti mu fie o mu ndo obi afun a mo beje. Ai mu ma ye be tie hia pa. Why? Ewo Kumasi ha. O say Oni passport to biala. And it says kind of credit. Fabe, brana mi bi. Ah.
They say sikano so of mama no baby o yi no ne ho chi no nyam nko no obo uko yi sikano so a me di kodu to so enya dia ya mu be yi sikato mu nsem da wo yi akora wo sikaka ba because any bi so no o dia mama se mo papa mu ni so sa
mu fa no ko simu no te mo nyi bra akro ne number no na oje kura so oje ne kwa we no nkura fon to kodu akra ho e driver no e yama no Kevin fani ko enkran
asafo
sorry for say sorry free akọ chere abusu afan kwa ho mane so